Is Lightning Shared Scooter Company, LSSC, really a breakthrough in passive income, or is it just another MLM scam cleverly disguised as a tech startup? With flashy promises and a clean-looking website at lssc-canada.ca, LSSC claims to be a Canadian-based company launched in 2018, offering users the chance to earn passive income through electric scooter rentals. But once you dig into the details, things start to unravel quickly. The first major red flag is the company's founding date. While they proudly state they began operations in 2018, the domain registration tells a different story, showing it was only created in 2025. That's a major inconsistency for a company claiming years of successful operation. It also lists a US address before a Canadian one, which contradicts its branding as a Canada-first company. On top of that, LSSC boasts about having a mobile app to manage scooter rentals and track earnings. Yet there's no trace of it on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, something you'd absolutely expect from a company relying on tech for both its service and investment platform. Then there's the issue of credibility. 0 reviews on Trustpilot, limited online reputation, and several Reddit threads where users express frustration or label the project as a scam. And perhaps the biggest concern of all, recruitment and communication are heavily based on Telegram groups, a common strategy used in Ponzi schemes and unregulated investment platforms. With all these red flags, fake-looking history, lack of transparency, missing app, and questionable recruitment methods, it's hard to confidently say LSSC is the real deal. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it certainly doesn't inspire trust. Before putting your money into something that looks too good to be true, it's worth pausing and asking, if this was really a legitimate and revolutionary platform, why is so much important information missing or misleading?